Hi guys, this is Omo and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you a delicious recipe for chicken. And this is a chicken stew that you can serve with rice or couscous, and it's so yummy. So I already cooked a whole chicken in water with salt and pepper like for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to remove the chicken and then I will keep the remaining juice. Then I will heat some oil and I'm going to fry the chicken until brown. So if you love my recipes, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Now that the chicken is brown, I'm going to remove that and set aside. Then in my pot, I will heat some oil and add my tomatoes. I will saute the tomatoes for a few minutes. Then I will add my tomato paste and cook that for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to cover with butter and let my tomatoes cook. In a blender, I'm going to add a bell pepper with 4 garlic cloves, and then I will add 2 onions, then I will add a little bit of water and blend all this together. Now on the tomato sauce that is cooking, I'm going to add my spices. I'm going to add black pepper, ground ginger, and the curry powder. If you like cubes, you can also add some bouillon cubes. Then I will mix all this together. To that, I will add the onion mixture and mix all this together. You can find the ingredient list and the measurements in the description box below. Now that everything is cooked, I'm going to add my vegetables. You can add your favorite vegetable in this stew. I will just add carrot, and I will also add some cabbage and potatoes. If you love my recipes and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now for more delicious African recipes. Now I'm going to add the bouillon that I used to cook my chicken, and then I will cover this and let all my vegetables cook. Once the vegetables are almost done and the liquid is almost absorbed, I'm going to add the cooked chicken. I will cover this with water and mix everything together. Now you can add some bouillon cube if you like, but I'm going to add some salt with my hot peppers. This is optional, but it will give a very nice aroma to the soup. And let this cook together for at least 15 minutes until the vegetables and the chicken are very tender, and it's ready. You can serve this with rice, fufu, couscous, or anything you like, and I'm sure you will love it. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.